Hello friends, this is my new channel NCERT क्लास 9 एंड फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ द चैनल। इस प्लेटफॉर्म में मैं NCERT के सारे मटेरियल्स आपको प्रोवाइड करती रहूँगी। आज हम लोग NCERT क्लास 9 स्टैंडर्ड का चैप्टर फर्स्ट सिविक्स का नोट्स देखेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए कि आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट का कौन सा चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए। So the first chapter of civics is what is democracy and why democracy। सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका definition लिखेंगे डेमोक्रेसी का। So democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by people। Democracy is by the people, democracy is by the people, of the people and for the people। Example India, USA, etc. where people have political freedom एंड इक्वलिटी। फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी जो सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर पे है, ऑल द पीपल आर इक्वल बिफोर द लॉ एंड कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्रिमिनेट अगेंस्ट देयर कास्ट, क्रीड और जेंडर। सेकेंड पॉइंट जो है फंडामेंटल राइट। फंडामेंटल राइट इज़ अ लीगल राइट फॉर ऑल द people in country. If anyone believes that his or her fundamental has been violated, then he or she file a case in court. Right to vote. In democratic country, all the people above the age of 18 have right to vote and right to choose their leader। 5.4 जो हमारा है right to contest election। In democracy, all the people have equal right to participate in election by means of vote। Point 5, free and fair election। In democracy, election was held free and fair by the people। Separation of power। After election, leaders distribute his power among MPs for better rule। Independent judiciary। In democracy, judiciary is independent। No one, either leader, can change decision of judiciary। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वाई डू वी नीड डेमोक्रेसी। वी नीड डेमोक्रेसी फॉर पीपल, बाई पीपल, टू द पीपल। Democracy is a modern form of government system in which the normal people have the right to choose and elect their representative who they think can handle the office and government। Any rightful of a democratic country should have the freedom of expression, speech, membership, voting, equality and human right। Democracy also has its two types. They are direct democracy or representative democracy। It is a governmental construction mainly constructed on the right of citizen। Argument against democracy। We can give the following argument against democracy. Leaders keep changing in a democracy which lead to instability। Democracy is all about political competition and power play। There is no scope for morality। Delays are often made because many people have to be consulted in a democracy। Elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people। It leads bad decisions। Democracy leads to corporation for it's all the based on it is based on electoral competition। आर्ग्यूमेंट फॉर डेमोक्रेसी। सॉरी थोड़ा सा मेरे को एक्सप्लेन करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था। सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज आर्ग्यूमेंट फॉर डेमोक्रेसी। आर्ग्यूमेंट फॉर डेमोक्रेसी आर अ डेमोक्रेटिक government is better government because it is more accountable form of government। Democracy improves the quality of decision making। Democracy provide a method to deal with differences and conflicts। Democracy allow people to correct their own mistake। फिर लास्ट टॉपिक हमारा broader meaning of democracy। Today in most the first point is that today in most country democracy can be called representative democracy because all the democracy do not rule। Decisions are taken by the democratic on behalf of all the people। The powerful and the not so powerful people both have the same way in taking decisions। A democratic decision involve the constitution and contest of the people who are affected by the decisions। Democracy is a principle which can be applied to any sphere of life। Sometimes The word democracy is not used to describe any existing government but to set up an ideal standard that all the democracies must to aim reach. और ये जो वीडियो ख़त्म हो गया है, ख़त्म होने वाला है, और साथ साथ ये चैप्टर का नोट भी कंप्लीट हो चुका है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो सच में हेल्पफुल आए, अगर आपको ये अच्छी लगे तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और ये मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो था, इसलिए अगर मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाई तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर एक्सप्लेन हिंदी में करूँगी, अगर आप बोले तो। थैंक यू।